Go to your profile, then tap the three lines mainly in the top right. From there go to your activity. Then Reposts. Under that you'll see everything you've reposted. Long press on any post to select it, then tap delete at the bottom of the screen, so that will remove it from your profile. Now how about if you want to stop people from reposting your content? Go to your profile, tap the three-line menu at the top right, head to Settings, then How others can interact with you. Select Sharing and Reuse, and toggle off reposts on posts and reels. That way no one can repost your content without your permission. Now you might be wondering, is there any way to remove or hide the repost button on others' posts, so as to avoid accidental clicks? For reposts of other creators' content, it's important to note that this feature is controlled by the creator. Unlike the like or share options, which are automatically available and laced on posts and reels by Instagram itself, the repost feature is enabled by the creator. This means that if you see the repost option on someone else's post, it's because that creator's allowed it. Unfortunately, you cannot remove the repost option from another creator's content, and that's why the only option is to follow the steps above in order to get rid of accidental reposts.